Hello. So today I want to discuss about the ChatGPT that how it is helping me to improve my productivity in my daily life. As a software engineer, I use ChatGPT for various purposes, like when I want to create some boilerplate code on a particular language. It is helping me to get some uh, uh, code base which is already generated by itself. So it is very helpful for set up a initial code base in a particular framework or language. Um, and also when I want to find bugs from my code base. It is goodly identify the bug that where it is from where it is coming from in my code base. Also, when I want to write some unit testing of my project, it is goodly write all the uh, unit test and it is cover all the edge case also to goodly identify the bug and improvement of the code. So how can I use these things from ChatGPT console today? Uh, I am showing it. So in my code base on a party when I want to implement in some particular feature for this thing, suppose I need to sort some data or like I want to ascendingly I want to get the ascending order value from database. So for these things, I have to write some algorithmic code in my backend to get the sorted data. So, in general use case to sort something, we use two-pointer approach for this. So, suppose in JavaScript, I want to sort some value from array. I need to write a particular algorithm. So, suppose see it is generating the boilerplate code of this algorithm to sort our data. And by these things, you can work your recurring task, what you are doing in your daily life, so that you can minimize your time and effort in your engineering life, and it will very helpful to grow as yourself as a developer and when you want to improve the productivity of your team, it is helping us a lot. So I suggest that all developer should be use these tools to improve their productivity and improve their outcome of their project as well. So that's the my perspective to use this. You can use these tools for various purpose based on your need. Thank you so much.